mabuksan na natin itong napakaganda na tulay. I think this will serve as a model for many of the other bridge projects that we will be seeing around the country. Napakalaking bagay ang paglagay ng ganitong klaseng tulay. Cuts the travel time, imbis na umiikot na napakalayo para tumawid, ay nandito na yung ating Kamanyugan Bridge. So I'm very happy that we are able to once and for all open this bridge. We came to inspect it and I am sure na itong tuloy na ito, ako'y nakakasiguro na ang tuloy na ito magbabago ang ekonomiya sa magkabila ng tulay na ito. And in the surrounding areas, mabibigyan ng mga opportunities for new jobs, for new businesses. I'm sure that you will feel the effects, the economic effects in a very short time.